Hi viewers, Samana Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to this video, the disclaimer, I am not SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here is my views only. So always do your own study and analysis and check your own decision. Now we go to the video. So first we will see the gold. If you see in the gold, the 2 hours chart, gold was gone until 60,700 and it has came down to value zone around 60,000. So at this moment itself, I said it losing a momentum, but it is not a reversal. So there are still possibilities it go in the upper side. That's what I made a statement in earlier videos. So as I said, it coming till the value zone. The value zone means it is between the two EMA lines. So here you are seeing 20 EMA line and 50 EMA line. So it came to the value zone and again regaining the up momentum. So there are possibilities it will go in the upper side. This is about the price action, based on the price action. If you see the indicator based, still the MACD is in the bullish zone. So above 0 it is a bullish zone, and this here you see that it lose the momentum. The MACD line crossing the downside to the signal line, but both are above the 0 line in the bullish zone. Now again the MACD line trying to cross over the signal line in the upper side. So similarly, if you see the RSI, here it has came down from the overbought zone, but it couldn't touch the 50 mark, and again it is rebounding in the upper side. So both based on the price action and indicator based, still the gold is in the bullish side only. Again now it is quite regaining the momentum. So the left side, this is the gold 60,000 call option. So earlier we tracked 57,000 call option. That contract has closed now. So now we couldn't able to track the 57,000 in this contract because it was not traded at the time. So there is no record. So even 60,000 there is no record. So it has started trading. So we track from this value zone price, the 60,000 call option. Now we will track. So it was 8,000. Well, it was in the 60,000. Now it is regained to 11,000 in the call option side. So this about gold MCX. So now we will see the global contract. What it says. So if you see the global contract, the price action and both MACD and RSI are looks similar to the MCX pattern. So this is 4-hour chart. So there is no deviation. If you see the left side weekly chart, so we keep on saying that if the breakout had happened and it will keep continuing. So it may come to 20,000, 50 chances are a lot more chances are there. So yes, last video I said it was a green candle, but this tail shows that it regaining the upper side momentum. So it is confirming that now. So similarly, if you see the MACD, it just touched the 0 line and again the MACD line crossovering the signal line in the upper side above 0 line. Similarly, RSI, it just retouched the 50 line and again it is rebounding above the 50 line. It is now 58. So both price action and indicator in the even in the weekly chart, it says in the bullish side and regaining the momentum. So this is about gold. Now we will see the silver. Silver very well retested till value zone, and again now it is trying to move in the upper side. So this zone is very much important. If you see here 71,500 to 72,500 we can see. So it has to break in the upper side. 72,500 it has to break upper side decisively. So if gold gain the momentum very well, so definitely it will come in the upper side. So this is about the price action. If you see the MACD and RSI, so it just crossed the 0 line from the upper side to downside. Again now trying to coming towards 0 line. Similarly, RSI now exactly at 50 line, so 50 mark. So this shows that it's trying to regain the momentum in the upper side. So this is still, there is no strong sell side signal. Um, at the same time, don't initiate short position now. If anybody trying to take the long position with the with the stringent stop loss, maintain it. This left side is the option. The left side is the 72,000 call option. So earlier we tracked from the 67,000. Now, if you see, this has come to the value zone, and the value zone is 71,500. So just quite out of the money call, we are trying to track now 72,000 call option. So it was here around 1,500. That is 7,500 was the contract value. So now we are just trying to move in the upper side. So we, in the subsequent videos, we will track this, how it is happening. So now we will see global contract what it says. So this is the 4-hour chart. So the 4-hour chart exactly replicating the MCX price pattern, and even indicator pattern as well. The left side is the weekly chart. If you see the weekly chart, already I said this tail indicating that it is trying to move towards the upper side. There are still lot of possibilities it will touch the channel resistance. So it's quite below the channel resistance now. So maybe today or tomorrow there are a lot of possibilities it will touch, and chances it will break the resistance level. So the same thing confirming the indicator as well. So this is all about silver. Now we will look crude oil. So we already clearly said the crude oil break the channel and came in the downside. So now it has broken, and now it is trying to move in the upper side. So this may be again mean reversion kind of. So there are still possibilities go in the downside. Another in the dollar term, another $2-3 it will may go down. That we will see in the global contract. So the left side is the 75,000 put option. Sorry, 7,500 put option. From this point we started tracking. So if you see, it was 40,000. It came down till around 70,000. Now it is resting at 57,200. Now we'll see the global contract. So this is global contract 4-hour short, 4-hour candle. So this exactly replicating the MCX price pattern as well as indicator patterns. So the left side is the weekly chart. So it is in the sideways zone. So it came around till $83, but there are possibilities it will come close to $80. There are possibilities are there. So this is still in the bullish side only. Don't take any short position right now until the confirmed reversal signals comes. I will see the natural gas. So natural gas, it was from 290 in the last contract. It has come down till 255. We were tracking the October contract in options contract. Now the contract has expired. Now this is the fresh contract in the November contract. So as we are tracking the November contract and October contract in future also expired. So now we will tracking the future contract in November contract. So the November contract, it is this zone is at 270. So now it looks moving towards in the upper side. Though price action and indicator shows that it move in the upper side, The overall view is in the upper side, but in the short term, it will give you again the retest possibilities or more. This is my instinct, but not based on the price action or indicator base. So the reason I am saying is I'll explain in the global context. So here we will track the CE contract 270. This is the 270 zone. So 270 call option we will track it. So now it is in the upper side. Again it will retest close to 15 more. Then it will go in the upper side. So this is what my instinct, not based on the price action and indicator. Now we will see the what the global contact says. So this is the thing I saying that it may retest. It was a rollover contact gap. This is not the price gap up. This is the rollover contact gap. So you know that the premium, the contract in premium will definitely, the premium will dilute. So with that respect, I am saying that it will be retest some level in the downside. So that's why I said in the our MCX contract zone. So if you see the weekly contract, it's clearly in the upper side only. So don't take any short covering. Don't trade short covering. So always try if you are intraday here, do long and unwind the position. So short covering would be very risky at present position. So this clearly says that the price action and as well as indicator trying to go in the upper side only. So MACD it clearly at a zero level, from the bottom side it came to zero level. So there are possibilities it will go in the bullish zone. So RSI also just quite above the bullish zone. The 50 market is in the upper side. So this all about natural contact. So we will see in the next video. I hope this video was very much informative to you. Please do subscribe and like. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.